Good morning, everyone. It's actually a cold and windy day here in Perth. Got the jumper on this morning, quite different than it was last week. But while it's really not so good weather outside, things are really heating up in the Tillerise investment. So really good to see. We've got 4 days to go now, and obviously everyone's starting to see the deadline coming and getting on board. I've just seen a bunch of investments already come through this morning, even though it's quite early. But the most exciting news I've got for you today is that one of our $100,000 investors who's been checking us out for the last couple of weeks has decided to come on board. Birchal's just checking their investment, so he won't sit on the tally for another couple of hours, but that will take our investment to $785,000, which is 87% of the $900,000 minimum. This is amazing. With 4 days to go, we know there's a whole bunch of people out there who expressed an interest that hasn't invested yet. We know there's going to be a real flurry in the end. So instead of just getting over the 900, what we want to do now is get to what we're setting a goal as $1.5 million. We see that's really achievable. There's a few other investors, bigger ones, that may come on board in the next day. So we'll see how that goes. But if we get to the 1.5, it means that we don't have to run as lean. At the 900,000 is still quite lean to get bikes on the road. At the 1.5, we can move quickly, and then we can start expanding, getting bikes out across Australia much more quickly. So that's the goal. If you've 147 people invested. If you're one of the sort of 200 EOI people that haven't put your investment in yet, we look forward to that coming through soon. And let's get to this 1.5 million. Cheers.